can just slice the air with it. You can do your chop, 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 chop.
Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. It's your girl Oluwatosin. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back off the jump off. Guys, as you can see from the title of this video, I will be unboxing my new MacBook Pro. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited because let me tell you a quick story time. Previous MacBook, I've had it for like over 10 years. I bought it when I was still at university, so probably like 2009. And guys, like literally, I'm a person that when I buy something, then if I know that I spend money on it, I will get my money's worth. So I've literally, oh guys, even before we continue, look at my t-shirt, guys. We got some merch. So this is my Project Movement 21. I'll put a link down below if you want to purchase a t-shirt. But I'm really excited because they came out really cool. And yeah, it's about making movement a lifestyle. And as you all know, I'm a dancer. I predominantly love freestyle and free movement, and I try to use that as a way to bring the dance community together and also encourage people to make movement a habit, a lifestyle, you know. So let's just quick plug of the merch. I've had this MacBook for like 10 years. During quarantine, during lockdown, I literally spilled, I think it was peppermint tea by accident. I was lifted up. I was doing the most, you know, when you're trying to carry too many things, because it just happens so fast. And you know when your mouth is just like this, like you're in a Nollywood film and you're just stuck on that frame for time. That was me by myself in my room. I was just so shocked, and then I quickly just tried to clean it up or whatever. Anyways, I thought I saved it because it did turn on, and then twos now, buttons wasn't working, so I connected. I have like a old school iMac computer, so I connected the keyboard of that into that laptop and I was using it. But then it started to go downhill again, guys. As I was using it, it would just go white. It was just going white, and I was thinking, what is going on? Couldn't really use it, and obviously during quarantine, I needed it for stuff that I do online. Obviously now, you know, we're not in the studio, so teaching is online, so workshops that I do, I have to do it online. I'm so happy that now I finally got my MacBook Pro. Let's open up this. Oh guys, I'm so excited. For those who don't know, that meant excited, okay? But you'll get used to me. Okay, let's do this. Just get the scissors. Oh lord, guys, this lighting is giving me light. I'm lit, guys. This is to just slice, okay? Just like we're slicing a slice of pizza. Oh wow, it's actually got something where I can pull. I'm trying to go the long way. Look how easy this was. I just sliced that through and now it's open. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. Ooh, look at this. Oh, it's even upside down. Let me even change it. Even just the colors, guys, is matching my top. It's like they knew that that's the colors of my brand. This is the space gray. Again, another little arrow thing to tell me where to rip, because knowing me, I would just do some nonsense rippage. Oh guys, feels like Christmas morning. This is the gift to myself for this year because I need it. I need it for life. I need it for the amazing things I'm gonna do in the new year. Actually, even starting from now. Guys, decree over yourself that you will be doing some amazing stuff, okay? Beautiful. Guys, I'm actually gassed. I've not even opened it, but I know that it's beautiful. The MacBook Pro. Wow. And here's got the Apple logo in space gray. It's time for the big reveal. Oh, I'm actually so excited. My sister's been asking me ever since it arrived, because I waited a few days because I wanted to do this with you guys, you know, because I thought you would really enjoy my reactions. So delicious, like it's making me feel like I'm eating plantain, and you all know how. Actually, you don't even know, so don't worry. I'll be doing a video about my love for plantain because it's very extreme. Oh, is it looking like there's something? Oh guys, I got scared. This looked like it had some like scratches on it, but it's just the top layer. I literally, my heart just skipped a beat. I was like, Apple, you will have to come back and take this, because I'm not taking any scratched surface for something new. Why? This is actually a 13-inch, but it looks really, I don't know why it looks bigger than that. Look at how thin this is. You can just slice the air with it. Wow. Hey, you can do your chop 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 chop. Okay, let me not get too gassed. But guys, look at how luscious that is. I'm not a person that gets really gassed over technology, but because I've literally been so faithful to my Mac of 10 years. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't even want to remove this. I'm actually scared. Like, when I get new things, I just want to keep it like a little baby. I don't want to do nothing to it. By nothing, I mean nothing. My Af accent is really coming out. But guys, that is it. Look at it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I know that I deserve this. So thank you, God, for the provision. So guys, wow. It even just, how did that happen?
Use English as the main language.
This is some next level technology, because when I opened it, it turned on and then it just spoke to me. Technology is really, Steve Jobs, well done, because what you created, I would never go to another laptop after having Apple. I would never, because I've just seen the quality of it. Like, they just keep getting better and better, innovating. I'm just going to show you what else comes in the box. You might have seen it a million times on YouTube, but why not see it with me? Here we have all the stuff it comes with. It comes with this is definitely new for me, because the old version, like, I had the old charger. Like, my laptop was 2009 and it was 4 gig RAM. Oh yeah, I didn't even tell you what it is. So 16 gig memory and 512 gigabytes. I wanted to get the 1 terabyte, but I thought to myself, like, okay, it's a little bit more money. You can always get the external hard drive. Save yourself some money, guys, okay? But I did want it to run fast. Section, you get the little thing that you'll get with all kind of Apple products, even when you're getting a phone. So they've given me a little leaflet so I know what to do. What else? Got the charger. Well, does this go in there? Yes, it does. Insert that in. Guys, this is my old MacBook. It's so heavy, and I'm about to open it up just to see if I can try and transfer information from this MacBook to the new one. If anyone wants this and they can fix it up, holler at me, send me an email or just send a comment. But guys, this lasted me for years and it's still, I feel like, in good condition. So guys, I'm gonna try and put it on now. I'm gonna show you if it does go to the white screen so you know exactly what I'm talking about. Guys, it's just been stuck on this screen for a while, like nothing's even happening, like for me to even click, to even go through. So yeah, you can see that this is not something I could be working with. I need to get stuff done and it's just taking time. So, you know, still in perfectly good condition, but just not for what I need. It's just not suitable for what I need it for right now in this season. So you gotta go.
One eternity later.
Exhibit A. So this is what I mean. After a while, it will just go white and it won't tell you the reason why. Obviously, because it can't talk back to me, and I need to actually get stuff off this computer. There's so much on it, so I think until I get it fixed and find out what's wrong with it, I think I'm going to have to just, oh, look at that. I'm not going to waste my time with this. I'm going to continue setting that up because that's what we're trying to be for 2021, not to be slowed down, you know what I mean? Now we're just setting up my Apple ID. I never remember my password, so only for one. So guys, I was having some issues with logging into my iCloud and I had to reset my password. I feel like I always have to do this. It's so annoying. I knew what my password was and my phone stored it. Help Siri recognize your voice when you say hi. Okay, cool. We're gonna do that. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Oh, I have to try again. It says didn't quite get that. Hey Siri's ready. Now this is the Touch ID, guys. My recording is not the best, but you know, I just want you to still see me and be engaging. Technology is advanced to this. Literally like taking my print. Crazy. And now it's setting up my Mac. Thank you, Apple. But guys, that's it. That was me unboxing my MacBook M1 MacBook Pro 13-inch. I hope you enjoyed my reaction to it, and if you're thinking of getting a Mac and you want to know more about how this has been going after a while, like kind of like a progress report, then drop a comment below. And yeah, guys, on that note, I hope you're keeping safe, I hope you're keeping well, and I hope that you have an amazing Christmas. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.